First, I'd really like to thank Small Batch Cigar for all these excellent prizes, as well as everybody else here who contributed. We had over 60 user reviews, and it's been a really fun time, guys. All right, let's go ahead and draw for the Wise Man. Jay, congratulations, buddy. Now let's draw for the Jericho Hill Lanceros. Lurker, congratulations, amigo. All right, then moving along, let's draw for the short story. Tim, good job. All right, last up, let's draw for the Chogui Dose 77. Aaron B. You're just one lucky dude today.